Most people think making money with AI means coding, building apps, or buying expensive tools. And that belief alone is why most beginners never make a single dollar. The truth is, AI isn't the business, it's the engine behind one. And once you understand that shift, making money with AI becomes a lot simpler than people online make it sound. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact beginner-friendly system I would use if I were starting from zero again. No coding, no audience, and no expensive software. Because the fastest way beginners are actually using AI to make money isn't flashy, viral, or exciting. It's boring, and it works. Here's the reality. AI doesn't make money by itself. It makes money when it replaces time. Right now, thousands of small businesses are drowning in tasks they don't want to do. Writing emails, creating content, responding to customers, updating listings, editing short videos. They don't want AI. They want problems gone. That's where beginners win. Instead of asking, how can I make money with AI? The better question is, what is someone already paying for that AI can do faster? For example, businesses already pay for email newsletters. So instead of learning copywriting for months, you use AI to draft emails in minutes and charge for setup and delivery. Businesses already pay for social media content. You use AI to create captions, hooks, and ideas, and package it as a weekly service. Businesses already pay for video edits. AI tools now cut clips, add captions, and format content automatically. None of this requires coding. None of it requires an audience. And none of it requires being an AI expert. Your job isn't to be smarter than AI. Your job is to manage it. The biggest mistake beginners make is trying to automate everything on day one. You don't start with autopilot. You start with simple. One service, one problem, one client. Once that works, AI lets you scale without working more hours. That's how AI becomes leverage, not hype. If you want, in the next video, I'll break down one of these services step by step, including the exact AI tools and how beginners get their first client. Subscribe if you want real AI systems, not internet fantasies.